Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue quotes from Gekko accounting software. To issue quotes, we need to go to Invoices section and hover above, and it will provide another subsection, Quotations. From here, to create a new quote, click on this button, New. Select your customer, select your currency, and click Create Quotation. We can add additional support documents if required. Click on Add another file. Our logo and details cannot be amended. However, customer details can be changed still. Click on this pen and you can amend details. Don't forget to click Save. Okay? If you need to change quotation information and add valid until or reference numbers, click on this pen and provide details. So for example, I have reference number to quote, and there is valid date 10 days, and click Save. So reference number has been added and valid until been added as well. Provide details. So I have one quantity of a service for a rate of 850. You can still amend information about tax rate. From this drop-down list, you can select appropriate tax which need to be applied to this amount. We can provide more details in notes section below here, and we can save as a draft or save and send quotation. If we click Save as a draft, it's in draft status. We can go back to our list of quotes and we can see that this one is currently in draft status. Clicking on these three dots, we can edit, send quotation, change status, download or delete. To amend, click on this quotation and we can send it out. Now I will send quotation and status has changed to shared. This is a way how we can create quotes and distribute out to our potential customers on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.